Hey everyone, today let's clear up a question I get a lot. Why do so many developers use Next.js over React? Quick spoiler, Next.js is React. Next.js is React, but it's React with superpowers. I use both, and in this video, I'll explain why Next.js often wins for full apps and why React is still essential. React is a UI library. It gives you components, hooks, and a way to manage state. And it completely changed front-end development. But when you're building a real app with routing, SEO, or server-side rendering, you end up adding a lot of tools manually. And that's where Next.js comes in. Next.js is a framework built on top of React. It gives you file-based routing, server-side rendering, SSR, static site generation, SSG, API routes, image optimization, and better structure with the app router. You get all this out of the box without wiring it all yourself. One of the biggest advantages? Performance and SEO. React by default renders on the client, which isn't ideal for search engines. Next.js supports SSR and static generation, so pages are fast and crawlable right away. It even lets you build full-stack apps. You can create API routes directly in your project. No need for a separate backend. Now, React alone still has its place. I use plain React when I'm building small apps or widgets using Vite or custom tooling, or when I want full control over config. React is the engine. It's powerful and flexible, but Next.js is the full car, built for the road. My stack? Next.js for full-scale web apps and websites. React for UI libraries, design systems, and lightweight projects. So don't think of it as React versus Next.js. Think of it as React plus Next.js. Next.js makes React more powerful and production-ready right out of the gate. Drop a comment if you're using one or both. I'd love to hear how you're building your apps. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.